What's going on? So today is unboxing day. My name is FrankWall, certified trainer and nutrition coach, and on this channel I like to help you feel, move, and look better through mobility training and nutrition. But today it's a little different. I went ahead and spent over $1,000 at Rogue Fitness. It's like one of my favorite places to shop because I'm like a kid in a candy store when I get this stuff. I want to provide my clients with the best equipment, and that's why I choose Rogue. I'm not affiliated with them, I'm not sponsored, I just really like their shit. It's really good. I bought a bar, as you can see here. I got the Rogue Ohio bar. I bought that last year during pandemic. It was actually very hard to get it, but I did get it, and then they were sold out for a long time. Now, as you can see, everything is back in stock. Got a weight belt, got a bumper plate, so we're gonna unbox that. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it today, and we're gonna just get straight to it. So if you didn't see my unboxing video of how to unbox a Rogue Barbell, you can check that out right there. It's a really quick, like 2-minute video, but I'm gonna do an updated version because what I did is I had pliers, okay? I had some pliers and a hammer, and basically I just got the hammer and I just nailed that thing right in there, and then I started peeling, and that's what they say you wanna peel this tube. But I'm just gonna show you another option. I'm actually just gonna experiment with it. It doesn't say hack this thing off with a saw. I know some people did it, but we're gonna try it. So as you can see in a little bit of this B-roll, when you have the bar next up to the other one, you can see there's a little space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually just shake this down and make sure that bar is all the way on the other end because I don't wanna like cut into the bar by accident. And now I'm just gonna experiment with this. I haven't tried it. You can get all this equipment at like a Home Depot or a home improvement store, but literally just right towards the edge here. So if I'm comparing that barbell, I'm gonna put it end to end so I know I got a little bit of wiggle room. There's a like kind of like an aluminum hard steel cap that's here. So I'm just gonna go a little bit inside where this little nail or whatever is in there. And I'm just gonna start hacking away. And this is pretty much the fastest way. Now I'll just look and make sure. So before I start hacking away like crazy, I do not wanna saw into my bar. So I'm just gonna get these pliers. I'm just gonna bend and then move this a little bit, dig this in there. So I can kind of see that. Let me just push this all the way through. Yep, I'm not hitting the bar. We're good, so I'm just gonna hack away. And we are good, so I'm just gonna roll that open. So that is the fast way. Like I said, be kind of careful because as you can see, when I just opened this bar, we are good. I didn't like nick on top of it or anything, but you wanna make sure that this bar is pushed all the way back before you do that. That is not the safe way, that is the fast way, okay? Now, let's just go ahead and pretend, although I could just unpackage this bar right now, it took me like less than a minute to do, but if you wanna do it the Rogue way, again, this is not advice, this is just for educational entertainment purposes only because I don't want you to mess up your bar. Now, if we do it how they say, you can also come in, and let's try this, and we'll just get this knife. I actually haven't opened it like this before, but I'm just gonna cut and score this a little bit. This actually takes a little bit longer, but they say you can peel the tube. So we're just gonna kind of score this towards the edge a little. And then I guess, like I did last time, I just used that hammer. So now I got that, it's already kind of going through because it says you peel the tubes. All right, so I'm cutting through. So now I'm gonna get these trusty pliers and then I'm just gonna rip this open. This way takes a little bit longer, but it's kind of how I did it last time. You can also get a hammer if you want and just kind of hammer the top of those pliers in so it goes all the way through. Again, make sure this bar is all the way down because you don't wanna like hammer this thing into your barbell. And then this, again, it takes a little bit longer, but I'm just doing it the way they want me to, and we are ripping. And then this is the, I don't know why they tell me to do this, but we're peeling the tube. So we got this bar, give it a nice peel, and then you just start making your way around. Oh, fuck it, we're just gonna go through it and do it. But even when you put the pliers in, you do this and you just start peeling it, and you're not gonna get into your barbell. Don't dig these pliers straight all the way down. So I'm just going around, and then you'll just make your way all the way around. As you can see, hacksaw, trusty, fast, efficient. I guess they don't want people cutting into their bar and getting sued, so they went ahead and put this way. It's just annoying. You gotta muscle it around a little bit, but then once you kind of got it going, you can just peel, and we're good to go. So this is like the most exciting point. Here we go. I feel like a Jedi in Star Wars. OMG. Ugh. We've got the Rogue Ohio bar. Look at that baby. And this is the one for the studio. I'm excited because I had my blue one at home. I didn't bring it, but you know, I want to give my clients the best. So I brought an extra barbell here. So here's both of them. This one's over a year old. This one's brand new. Shaft is looking nice. Does it say anything cool on here? It's probably got some special instructions. Rogue's most durable and versatile weightlifting bar. That's why I like it. I'll tell you all about the specs in a little bit, but man, looks like the Jedi Rogue bar here. So there's that. And then in just a second, we'll unbox some of these bumper plates. But with the Rogue bar, this is a bushing bar. It's not a bearing. So basically in the world of like weightlifting, if this that has the bushings, which this one has, as you can see, it has a little spin to it. Some of them with the bearings, they have more spin. So when you're doing Olympic lifts like cleans and snatches, the bar can like spin a little bit easier. You can get into some of your movements. Traditionally, the multi-purpose bar, something like this with the bushings, generally for powerlifting, like your squat, bench, deadlift, but you know, I'll use these for hip thrusts. I'll use these for a lot of deadlifts, sumo deadlifts especially, bent over barbell rows like pendlay rows. And also, if you haven't seen this already, check out my barbell workout. I have two, but I have a beginner barbell workout. So if you want to learn how to work out with a barbell, and it's kind of quick and fast. It's not a super, like a lot of explanation on how to do each move technically, but it'll kind of get you through it, and we're just using a bar, so it's really cool. It has 190,000 PSI tensile strength, meaning if I were to rip this apart from sleeve to sleeve and pull, it would take 190,000, I think, pounds or amount of pressure to pull that apart. But from a lot of the research I've done, it takes, you want a bar with at least 170,000 to 190,000 PSI. It also is about, what is it, 28.5 millimeters in diameter around the bar. So it is a comfortable bar to grip. I can get my hands easily around it. I think the sleeve is about 16.5 inches. I'll put the stats on there in a second, but you can easily load up some bumper plates, and we'll do that in just a little bit. Also, every bar is manufactured in Columbus, Ohio. I mean, over the past 5 years, they spent over $2 million in research, from the scientific testing to the bending and the strength of the bar and all that crazy stuff that goes into it. It does have, it's like a I think it's like a multi-purpose knurl. I don't know the exact kind of knurl, but definitely you don't want a bar that's just smooth. I mean, if you have a basic bar, any bar will work, but these knurls are supposed to help increase the amount of friction from your hands to the bar so you can have a better grip. And obviously, if you ever need more grip on a bar, if you are deadlifting, for example, you could chalk up, or you can use that, that over-under grip. Then they have the oxidation rate of the bar. Obviously, this one has a very high resistance to the oxidation. It kind of depends on the type of steel. This does have a Cerakote coating on there, so it's very popularized in the gun industry. It's just got a very protective coating, and just really helps preserve the appearance of the barbells at the upper end of the spectrum, such as this one. Rogue Fitness does have like an F scale rating, and this one's rated F8R, so it's basically just more resistant. And you could even check on, I'll put the link down here in the description, about the Rogue work hardening system and all the specs about it. So I can't really list everything off, but really good quality style bars. But these bars weigh about 20 kilograms, which is about, what, 44.02 pounds or so. And they do have a lifetime warranty against bending. So if there's something that, if this bar for whatever reason were to overbend, which I doubt it will, unless you're loading up a lot of heavy weight, then they would warranty that. But they do have a whole different types of bars that are on the website, so check out roguefitness.com. Like I said, not affiliated or sponsored by them, which I was, but I just really like their craftsmanship. I like the type of the bars, colors look sick, and I'm a fitness enthusiast, so this is like me getting an expensive pair of ON running shoes or Nike Air Maxes. My barbell is my tool that I help sculpt the body into the gym, and I use it with all my clients, and I really love it, and I feel my clients are gonna love it a lot too. All right, then next we're just gonna go ahead and unbox some of the bumper plates. We'll start with the weight belt. Again, I already have several weight belts. As you can see, I use them periodically in my lifts. I don't rely on them, but they are good when I want to keep my core tight. I want to try and focus on the certain body part, like my back or legs, that I'm working, rather than having my core involved. So we're just gonna get this box cutter, start off just opening this first one. Arlo, what are you doing? You sniffing something? You wanna help me open this? You wanna help me open this? No, you scared? So we're gonna open this. I got another nylon belt because you can never have too many weight belts. And over the years, I've been using these by Rogue. Here's a nice one, all black and gray like, got the USA patch freedom. That's why I got it, because we are in a great country where you can do whatever you want and be who you want, so I love America. Anywho, there's that. But the first one I got, this is a medium. Again, I'm like a 30, If you measure my waist, it might be like 34, 35 inches. I wear like a 33, 34, but when I wear the medium, I went ahead and got a small. I didn't think I'd be a small. I've never been a small anything. But when I wrap this all the way around, like I pull my stomach in tight and then like there's all this flap, right? It depends. Like, I mean, if you put it on there loosely, but I put this thing on like super snug. So anyway, I went ahead and I got another small. That's a medium there. So any of my clients that might be a little bit bigger, they can use that. We'll just open this up. And we'll pull this out nice. Again, this is like a 5-inch belt here, and then it's just a nice nylon belt. Like I said, I've had this good old camel one for like 2 or 3 years now, and it's held up strong. It's never ripped off. I mean, you would think the Velcro might come off, because I have these Ever belts also, and I used to use these, but I mean, this thing is like super thick. Like, I mean, even just taking this thing out is tough. But these, like if you're doing serious weightlifting and stuff, you have to get against a squat rack, peel it open. You need to wear a black shirt because this thing can kind of discolor and, you know, color up your shirt a little bit, but it's super strong, and these have a lifetime warranty, these Ever belts. But for general purpose and general use, I like these Rogue fitness belts. We'll get a trusty little patch out. And again, there's like an extra $5 or $8. You can get this little patch, put it on to the side. Again, all little customization, so we'll throw this little USA patch right on here. Bam. American made, so, well, actually Brazilian and American, but anywho, so there's my Rogue belt there. So we'll just try this bad boy on real quick, throw this around. And as you can see, this is a size small, but I like it because again, I'll put this thing on, snug it up real tight, boom. And then I got plenty of room there. Looks pretty good. So when I'm doing all my heavy lifts, there is that. Next, bumper plates. These probably don't need too much unboxing, but I got a couple of 55s, a couple of 45s. I already had the 25s, I had some 10s. I went ahead and got the colored ones, and like I said, in filming this in July, it's like Christmas in July, honestly. When you're watching this, it might be August, September, but they actually had them all back in stock. So look at this. Ugh, isn't that beautiful? So this bumper plate has a durometer rating of 88, meaning the higher the number, the less bounce you have. So it's got a little bounce, but not much, but perfect to equip a home or a school gym with. They actually approved this to use in the Army fitness test. They have like the 6 series test, I believe. Anywho, love these bumper plates, really cool looking, and they're gonna hold up real well in the gym. So we'll drop that one down. There's that. Man, we're gonna make a mess in here, but we'll clean it up. We got 55 pound. We'll just go ahead, we already have that, but we'll open up the other one. Ugh, super heavy. We'll just slide this out. Some of these, they just come out real easy out of packaging. So here's the next one. We'll stack that guy right on top. Nice, good old 55 pounds. So yeah, especially for deadlifting, doing hip thrusts, you wouldn't believe it, but I get a lot of my females that do over 135 pounds. Some in the 200s, some 170. So having some heavyweight to start off our hip thrust is always great. We will get the next one. We got our 45. So if this isn't already ripped open, you can always get your trusty pliers and just start peeling this open. But unless you want to save these, which I wouldn't, we got our 45 pound in the blue here. Get this packaging off. Oh yeah, nice. I know, I can't get over this. So, because some of the, you might have some old school barbells. Not all bars will, oh actually I take that back. These should fit in all newer standard bars. I did have like an old school bar from like forever ago. I bought a used one and it wouldn't fit any of the bumper plates. So you could check the website for the diameter, but that's why I just buy everything Rogue. These things fit and they should go at any kind of bar, but sometimes it depends. Like if you have a landmine, some of the landmines may not fit inside of these. They only fit in like the old school ones. So actually Rogue Fitness, for example, they have their own landmine attachment that you can put inside this bar and this bumper, and it actually fits in there. So it just kind of depends on the diameter. But yeah, these generally should fit most things, but check the website, check your bar for all the specs and details. So there's that, 55. I'll go ahead, and I also got the 10 pounds. Like these are nice and secure. So we'll get our pliers that actually have the little snippet thing on there and cut that and cut this, cut that. And if you didn't have the pliers, then I guess you could also use your box cutter knife like that and open it on up. So I got a couple of plates here, and I already had a couple of 10s, but you can always use a little bit more 10s in the gym. Nicely well packaged 10 pound bumper plates. Voila, nice and black. So usually the black, they have the 10 pound, the 15 pound. I actually got some 15s from Titan Fitness the other day because before I even bought all this, I saw them in stock and they were out of stock, and now it turns out everybody's got them. So anyway, got a nice little 10 pounder there. Same thing, that one looks like another 10 pounder. We got another color bumper plate. I guess we might as well open them all up since we're here. This already has some tears in it. So we'll just start peeling away. Nice rippage. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Man, making a big mess, who cares? There's another 45. Where's our last 10? Almost threw it out. 10, 10, 10. Is this it? Yep, 10 more pounds. Give this an open. So yeah, it's always great to have a nice set of bumper plates and have some barbells to work with because it's the basis and the foundation of strength training, right? When I first started strength training back in, Jesus, I don't know, 2000, I used a barbell. That's why I learned how to clean, I learned how to squat, I learned how to bench. Unfortunately, I didn't have a really coach or a trainer or anybody to help me, so I never really worked out my back, and I got numerous shoulder injuries. But this is a great way to get stronger, men or women. You need to do some barbell strength training, and I do have a landmine barbell workout video that you could check out and use. And it's very functional based. You know, it's a little bit different. It has a landmine attachment that goes into these plates, but you do all sorts of stuff with the bar. So super excited. Got a little mess here. We'll clean this up, but these are my new little joys and treats that I'll be sharing with all my clients. Hope you enjoyed today's video. It's exciting for me. Like I said, Christmas in July. You're probably watching this September and August, not sure, but I love getting new pieces of equipment, especially I like providing my clients with the best. My mission statement, I provide my clients with education, guidance, resources, and relentless support to fulfill all of your fitness and nutrition needs, or all of their fitness and nutrition needs. So that's my motto, that's my mission statement, and that's why I'm always trying to get the best stuff, whether it's lights in here to make the place a little bit nicer, new bumper plates so my clients can have really good equipment, and also it's gonna make for killer workouts too. So if you're brand new to the channel, again, my name is Frank, please go ahead and subscribe, click that notification bell so you never miss any of my future content, and also let me know what you'd like to see. I like doing a lot of these kind of videos, some unboxing, different kind of things, maybe if it's lifestyle tips, motivation. Right now I'm on my mission. I'm gonna finish my 100 workouts, 100 weeks. I think we've got at least 76, 77, 78 or so, but we're gonna keep cranking them out. Probably get onto some cooking videos, but then just let me know what you need help with. I'm here to help you. I wanna help you get in the best shape of your life. I didn't get here alone. I paid and had numerous coaches, and so especially if you're looking to get better, utilize all my free content here on YouTube. I mean, this is the place to be. I have barbell workouts, dumbbell workouts, all sorts of stuff. So you can check out some of the playlists in my YouTube channel. And if you're looking for something a little bit more advanced, then yes, we can get on the phone, we can set up a call, we can go through WhatsApp. I can figure out your struggles, your goals, any kind of limitations you may be experiencing. And again, that's why you pay and you get a coach, because yeah, you may know how to do everything, but when you have a coach and you're spending the money on it, you're getting that implementation, you're getting the speed, you're getting that accountability, and you do get results faster because you don't want to waste your money. Yeah, I'm like one of the highest priced trainers in Georgia, but there's a reason behind that, because a lot of the people that I meet are busy professionals, and I like working with those type of people because they take action and they execute on their goals, and you don't waste time. And I don't want you to waste your time either. So get some good equipment, invest in yourself, train hard, train smart, and I hope you stay very safe doing all this. And if you need any other help or you have any other questions, comment down below, let me know. I'd love to help you out more. So until next time, I'll see you very soon in the next workout.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have it much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep, but should listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, I'm like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. It never changed my